Far too many people these days struggle with dull, unreliable scissors, especially when cutting through thick cardboard, fabric, or leather. But what if I told you that the right cordless electric scissors could completely change your cutting experience? We've researched, tested, and compared the best cordless electric scissors on Amazon, and today we're counting down the top 5 picks that combine power, precision, and performance. Before we begin, make sure to check the links in the description below each scan. They'll take you to the latest prices and discounts for every product we mention. Let's dive in. Number 5, Snap-Fresh Cordless Electric Scissors, Green. Starting our list strong with the Snap-Fresh Cordless Electric Scissors. This 4V mini powerhouse is designed for cutting almost anything, from cardboard boxes and carpet to leather, plastic, and thick packaging materials. What makes it shine is its rotary cutting technology, which ensures smooth and consistent cuts every time. The ergonomic handle and lightweight design make it comfortable to hold, even for longer cutting sessions. You'll also get a replacement blade and a charger, giving you extra value right out of the box. Whether you're crafting, unboxing, or doing light construction, Snap-Fresh is built for precision and ease. It's compact, efficient, and surprisingly powerful for its size. If you're looking for a cordless scissor that's easy to use and always ready, this one is a solid start to our list. Number 4, Cordless Electric Scissors, 4-volt rechargeable rotary cutter with LED light. Next up, we have the cordless electric scissors with 3,000 milliamp hours battery and built-in LED light. This tool takes things up a notch with its high-capacity rechargeable battery, ensuring long operation time between charges. The LED light helps you clearly see your cutting line, a feature that's especially useful in low-light workspaces or when cutting dark fabrics. With 2 blades included, it's ready for all types of material: fabric, carpet, cardboard, plastic, or leather. Its ergonomic trigger and safety lock design prevent accidental activation, which adds an extra layer of protection during use. This cutter is an ideal choice for anyone looking for performance and safety in one package. With its modern design and steady cutting speed, it's a favorite among DIY enthusiasts, seamstresses, and crafters alike. Number 3, Works Zip Snip Cordless Electric Scissors, WX082L.2. Taking the 3rd spot is the Works Zip Snip Cordless Electric Scissors, one of the most trusted names in electric cutting tools. It comes with 2 precision blades and a rechargeable 4-volt battery, offering strong, consistent performance with each use. The built-in safety lock prevents accidental starts, while its compact body makes it easy to maneuver for fine, detailed work. Whether you're trimming fabric, slicing open thick boxes, or shaping leather, Zip Snip gets the job done cleanly. Plus, the included storage bag makes it a great tool for both home and professional projects. What really sets it apart is its automatic sharpening feature, keeping the blades cutting smoothly for much longer than typical cordless scissors. Reliable, efficient, and smartly designed, the Works Zip Snip is a true all-rounder. Number 2, 2025 new 4V cordless electric scissors tools, Frost White. In second place, we have the 2025 new 4VV cordless electric scissors, and it's one of the most stylish tools on the market. With its frost white finish and 2 titanium blade accessories, this model combines beauty and function perfectly. It features a safety lock mechanism that ensures secure operation and prevents accidental startups. The powerful motor delivers smooth rotation and can handle even dense cardboard or layered fabric without getting stuck. It's also a perfect gift idea for both men and women, especially for those who love crafts, home improvement, or packaging work. The titanium blades resist wear and maintain sharpness for longer use, while the cordless design gives you total freedom to move around. If you want something that performs great and looks premium, this 2025 model won't disappoint. Number 1, Fantique C8 Nano Easy Swap Cordless Electric Scissors, Black. And finally, our top pick, the Fantique C8 Nano Easy Swap Cordless Electric Scissors. This one stands out as the ultimate cutting tool, thanks to its LED display, easy swap blade change system, and built-in LED light. It's powered by a durable rechargeable battery and includes 2 precision blades for smooth, efficient cutting. The LED display shows battery level and speed settings, giving you total control over your work. The Easy Swap system lets you replace blades in seconds without any tools, a true game changer for busy users. Designed for thin cardboard, carpets, and leather, the Fantic C8 Nano is built for professionals who demand both speed and precision. Its compact, futuristic design makes it as stylish as it is practical. This cordless scissor isn't just a tool. It's a complete upgrade for anyone tired of dull manual cutters. Fast charging, ergonomic comfort, and high cutting efficiency make it the clear winner in our list. So there you have it, the top 5 cordless electric scissors on Amazon in 2025. Whether you need one for home crafting, heavy-duty packaging, or daily DIY projects, these tools deliver speed, precision, and convenience. Don't forget, the links below will take you to the latest prices and special discounts, so be sure to check them out before they run out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next Amazon top product list. Until next time, happy cutting, and thanks for watching.